In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add Instagram feed in WordPress Elementor. So in order to add that, first head over to elementor.com and make sure that you have an account. Head over and click on the This Get Started option right there in order to create it, or you can also log in if you already have it. Now head over next to your WordPress and then do the same thing by clicking on Get Started or logging in as well. So just choose which one you want to do. Since I already have an account, let me head over and log in on both of them. Now here is actually my WordPress dashboard and I have in here open the pages. Head over and then just open in here the page that you want to add that Instagram feed with. I have in here my About Us page. Click on this Edit with Elementor and after that you should be able to see in here the Elementor editor on your actual WordPress. Now once you're in here, the next thing you need to do is to just head over and then you can try searching in here for Instagram feed. However, as you can see, it will not give that. So in order to add an Instagram feed, we need to head over to an actual third party, which is actually commonninja.com. Head over and then sign in for an account right here. And once we're done, you can head over and start creating. Once you're in here, head over and click onto this create widget. Click onto the search and search in here for Instagram feed. You can see it right here. Click onto this create. And then after that, you should be able to see in here the widget editor for that. So you can actually design it however you want it. Now, in this case, you can see in here the main title, and in here, just choose in here the actual page that will have that particular feed. You can input right here your username as well as change in here your actual link for your actual Instagram. So once you have done that, you can head over and click on Publish, click on Save Widget, select in here where you want to add that widget and save the changes. Then after that, copy the code. Head back right here into your editor. And then after that, head over and search in here for HTML. Drag and drop the HTML wherever you want to put it. And then put in here the code that we have copied earlier. Then after that, this will load our Instagram feed right into our actual Elementor. You can just wait for this to load and here it is. So that's how you add Instagram feed in WordPress Elementor. Hope we helped.